So here we offer premium headlight upgrades that not only enhance your visibility, but it's also going to transform your entire driving experience in the night. So when we come to most of the cars sold in India today, most of them come with LEDs as standard fitment from the factory, but these are only sufficient for city driving or from your house to work or work to your other engagements. But when you actually drive on the highway or through the jungle or through a road which has no lights, then you could find it really challenging to see any kind of obstacles which are present on the road. So hence we suggest that you upgrade to a proper LED solution which is going to give you safety as well as a warranty and actually be reliable in your headlight system. So the advantages of having a proper upgraded headlight system is you get a much brighter and a safer drive in the night, so you can see more of the highway and also any kind of danger which is there present on the road. Also our LEDs, whichever we are going to be installing for you, it is going to perform really well even in rain, fog and other conditions where there is absolutely no lighting. Another advantage of the upgrades that we do, these are basically plug and play, and it is a socket to socket, so there is no wire cutting, no extra relays or any other hassles, and this will only be done by the trained team, so you can be rest assured that there is no danger to your electrical system. Another advantage is that it obviously gives you a very modern and a very premium look. Your car appearance will be enhanced with a really crisp output. One more advantage is that this gives you a much longer life and is absolutely zero maintenance. So you save your time and you don't have to get into another replacement cost. So this should last you basically the lifetime of the car. We only deal with trusted brands which are sourced from across the globe. So your safety and your output is completely guaranteed. So come and experience the difference with expert fitment and honest guidance. We will give you a customized solution for your car. Most of the cases we will be able to upgrade it and there is no issue for you. So we will guarantee you a proper driving experience and a very safe experience at the night. So here I have for you today a selection of the top brands available in India. All of them come with a proper guarantee and a warranty, and installation will be done by the company team. So here we have the basic, which is the H4 system. So this is available in most of the Indian cars, and this is just a plug and play system. It will give you a tremendous output of 180 watts and also in different light temperatures. We have it in 6000 Kelvin right down to 4300 Kelvin. So based upon your requirement, we can suggest you the bulb. Then next we also have the H1, H3, H7, H8 system. This is also all plug and play. So this comes with its own relay, inbuilt relay, and fantastic quality of the build of the bulb. With all of it comes with an inbuilt fan to cool it down. So these bulbs can also be fitted into the fog lamp enclosure. So again, it's a plug and play, direct fit. Coming to older cars which had a HID system, so for that also we have a solution. There is a direct HID to LED conversion kit available. So this is also plug and play. There is no need to attach any extra wiring. Just remove the bulb, plug in the new bulb and you're good to go. Coming to the next upgrade, which is there present in a lot more modern cars, there is a projector system. So most cars come with a very small 2-inch projector. This has a very low wattage and a very low lumens output onto the road. So most of the cars, we can jump right from a 2-inch projector, we can upgrade to a 3-inch projector, and this also is available in a lot of wattages. So we recommend at least 130 watts as your upgrade, minimum upgrade. So we can also go for the most powerful projectors which are available in India, which is the Neo 250 from Genome. This also we have. This will give you an output of 190 watts in the low beam and 250 watts in the high beam. This is going to give you immense throw onto the highways and totally unmatched system. Here we have the cube system. So this is a 1.5 inch cube projector. This is basically for headlight enclosures which are slim. So this is like your Seltos, your Creta, Sonnet, the Karins, Innova High Cross. So most of the cases this comes with its own custom built bracket on which the projectors are installed. For your car, it's definitely available. We can do something to enhance your brightness and make your drive safer.